Hello, and let's start with the fact that in this video there will be an explanation of how to draw hands. The veins between the fingers are different, and on the outer part, my suffering. And the thing from the new series Wednesday. By the way, did you like this series by Netflix? Now it will be cool to see you in the comments. And as you can see, for convenience, I have indicated it, but in general, it is better if you watch from beginning to the end. What is hand and what is it eaten with? Well, this question is not for me but for Wednesday, but I can explain how to simplify the understanding of the hand so that it's easier to draw it. Because only through practice, 1000 attempts to draw a hand, only after that you will succeed. So I divided hand into three parts: palm, four fingers, and thumb. First, I draw the palm. It looks like a rectangle in the shape. Then I draw a thumb, and at the end I draw the fingers. I draw fingers along the phalanges. First the first phalanges, then the second and the third. And if you think about it, it looks like a bamboo. It should also be noted that the outer and inner parts of the hand are different. The veins between the fingers are different, and on the outer part there are bones and nails. By the way, if you can't draw a hand, then try this brush. It is very easy to draw hands with this brush, but the problem is that this brush wasn't in Procreate, so I had to make my own brush. Last but most important, use references. If life gives you hand, use them. Take pictures of them, look for a picture on Pinterest. If you're just beginning to learn how to draw hands, then you won't be able to draw anything from your head. And that's not all. Simplify your hands. If even with the references you can draw the hand, then draw a skeleton on top of the references, but don't use it as your own drawing afterwards. If you have drawn the skeleton of the hand, you must redraw the hand. You have to learn how to draw hands, and it's all that I can say. And if you need more information, in the description I will attach videos of the other people who explain how to draw hands very well. And now, everything that I said I will show with an example. With the first pose, everything was very simple. I am glad it get out very well. And as you can see, there is my Instagram and Twitter written on the hand. And when I drew the second and the third poses, I realized that I didn't understand, so I drew a skeleton and then redraw it. But by the way, both of these poses are my favorite. I'm glad it turned out well. The first pose I took from the moment when Wednesday and the scene set fire to the statue. Then I really like how Wednesday was playing Winter by Vivaldi while the statue was burning. And let's be honest, the scene where Wednesday plays the cello is incredible. And unfortunately, this pose turned out the worse than others. Also, for me, it was the most difficult. Then I make line art and paint it. I didn't want to do something complicated, but the hardest part started when I began to draw the nails. Since nails are very dirty, and for an hour and a half I couldn't draw my nails as I wanted, so I gave up on it. So I have three versions. The first picture shows horrible nails. The second picture, I didn't draw attention to the nails. And the third picture, I painted the black nails. I think these black nails suit the scene very well. And it was all, and thank you for watching. I worked really hard on this video. You know, in the beginning I was struggling with hands, but in the end they saw incredible, not incredible, but good fan art of scene of Wednesday. But so yeah. Click on the like video and bye. Oh no, stop. Hold the photo with the cat.